Welcome back, children. Let us continue with the line-wise paraphrasing of Act 5, Scene 1 of The Tempest, beginning with line number 272 of Bosun's speech. He says, "Even in a dream were we divided from them and were brought moping hither." He says that we were separated from the rest of them as if in a dream and were brought over here in a dull and a semi-conscious condition. Ariel aside to Prospero, so he's speaking softly to Prospero so that no one else can hear him. Was it well done? So he's asking Prospero, did I do it well? Prospero aside to Ariel, he continues to answer in a soft voice so that no one else can hear. Bravely, my diligence, thou shalt be free. He says, well, my hard working, my industrious Ariel, you have done it very well, and you have done it so excellently that soon I shall reward you by setting you free. Alonso, this is as strange a maze as ever man trod. He says that this island is one of the strangest and the most confusing ever visited by man. And there is in this business more than nature was ever conduct of. So he says that there must be something supernatural in all that has happened with us over here. Some oracle must rectify our knowledge. He says some oracle means the voice of God, that is a priest. He should be able to explain our experiences over here. Prospero, he speaks, Sir, my liege, do not infest your mind with beating on the strangeness of this business. He says, my lord, my sovereign lord, do not trouble your mind by repeatedly talking about your strange experiences on this island. At picked leisure, which shall be shortly, that is, at a chosen moment of free time, which should be very shortly, single I will resolve you, which to you shall seem probable. So he says, very shortly I shall give you in private the full explanation of everything that has happened, that it will no longer seem strange to you, but it will be very probable. Of every these happened accidents, that is explanation of all these incidents that have taken place over here, till when be cheerful and think of each thing well. He says, till that time be cheerful and regard all these incidents in a favorable, positive light. Aside to Ariel, when he speaks aside to Ariel softly that no one can hear him, come hither, spirit. He asks Ariel that come over here, spirit. Set Caliban and his companions free. He tells Ariel that you come here, listen, release Caliban and all his companions from captivity. Untie the spell. He says, undo the magical spell on them. Exit Ariel. He immediately goes away to carry out the orders of Prospero. And then Prospero continues talking to Stefano. How fares my gracious lord? So he's asking him, how is my gracious lord feeling? There are yet missing of your company some few odd lads that you remember not. So he says that a few persons of your party, of your company, are still missing, and you have totally forgotten about them. Re-enter Ariel, driving in Caliban, Stefano and Trinculo in their stolen apparel, in the clothes that they had stolen. Stefano, every man shift for all the rest. He says, let every man look after the others, and let no man take care of himself, and let no one take care of himself, for all is but fortune. But he says, because everything depends on luck. Coraggio, he says, have courage, bully monster. Coraggio. So have courage, my boastful monster. Have courage. Thank you.